Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can connect your custom domain to Shopify in 2025, and it will be a quick and simple tutorial for you guys. So I already have a Shopify website in here. I will just log into that place. Once I come over that place, I just want to integrate my custom domain in here. So there's a couple of options we have. If I click on start setting, then here you will get to see a couple of things they are telling us to complete the process. So here from that place you can add the thing also, but I will go with that place in the setting, and here actually you will able to see the domain options. So you just need to click over here, and here you want to just connect your existing domain, then go with that place. Or if you want to buy a brand new domain by using Shopify, then you can just click over here, buy new domain, and here you just need to search your domain like your mahin.com, and if the domain is available, then you are able to buy it. Just click to the buy. Once you click over here, now you just need to provide your contact information and your card number. Like you can add your card number here. I will go with the PayPal, that's why I will save PayPal, and then I will just click to the PayPal. Or you just need to go by domain. Once you click over here, then you just need to provide your valid payment method. This way you can actually add your domain. Or another one is you just need to go to the domain again and just connect your existing domain you purchase through your Namecheap or GoDaddy, whatever you want to kill by you can. So here you just need to search your domain, your mahin.com, and once you done it, you just need to go to the next. Once the next panel, you will get to see that your domain is not purchased yet, the domain available for purchase. You just need to click on the purchase, but the domain, if the domain owner is you, then you will get another options that connect your domain, and then you just need to provide your CNN in here, and you can easily do your things by using this domain. So I hope you loved the video, and now you know how you can connect your domain in Shopify. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.